This is the brief on mastering English vocabulary. According to Mastering English Vocabulary Through Daily Habits, expanding your vocabulary doesn't mean grinding through boring textbooks. It's simply about sneaking small, consistent habits into your daily routine. It's kind of like watering a plant. Giving it a little water every day is way more effective than drowning it once a month. First, focus on passive immersion. You want to effortlessly surround yourself with the language. Read short paragraphs about topics you genuinely enjoy, throw on an English podcast while commuting, and passively soak up words by changing your phone's language or labeling items around the house. But once you've successfully flooded your environment with these new words, how do you actually make them stick in your brain? Well, second, focus on active practice. You have to force those words into active use. Say new words out loud, talk to yourself while doing chores, record your pronunciation, and jump into real conversations without stressing over mistakes. If passive listening is putting gas in the car, speaking out loud is turning the key and actually driving it. So, you're absorbing words and using them. But how do you guarantee you won't forget them all by next week? Finally, lock the words in permanently with systematic tracking. Keep a visual vocabulary journal grouped by fun topics like food or travel, and utilize flashcard apps like Quizlet or Anki to hit a completely manageable goal of just 10 new words a day. You might think your memory is a steel trap, but without writing these down or using flashcards, those new words will literally vanish from your brain. Ultimately, building your vocabulary isn't about massive memorization sessions, but simply making English a natural, unavoidable part of your everyday life.